Café de Khoi. You can see this beautiful koi trees. So I have presented today for all of you in a close cooperation with Diversey. We present to you how coffee ground will be used to make bricks. And the bricks will be used at our weekly barbecue on the beach side, which is happening every Friday. Every Saturday, Sunday, for all family and friends, we're doing a planting workshop. Chef King has designed a menu full of flavors for all of you.